Hello, you're learning Salesforce with me, Palina, and there was a question from you, how to do rollbacks. Well, if this is possible to do rollbacks with deployments in Salesforce. The answer is no, this is not possible. Salesforce doesn't provide you functionality to roll back your changes if you have already deployed via change sets or SFDX, whatever, yeah, you cannot just roll back. But when you are skilled in all the deployment tools, you can think about some workarounds, and I will show you now two workarounds. One is when your project has CI connected and SFDX and so on, so how to operate with branches, and another workaround when you don't have CI connected, so how to do it with package API deployment, which I showed before. So let's have a look. First, SFDX. Okay, SFDX and CI, DX and CI and repository, okay. Repository, yeah. So, you have a situation that your source of truth is the repository where you have branches and so on. Each deployment would mean some merging of branch, merge. Alright, let's use this color. And yeah, normally you have some, let's say this would be master branch, which is responsible for any your destination environment, for example, production, yeah? So, yeah, direction will be there. So you have your master branch, yeah? And you want, that would be another branch where you have some functionality. So you will want to deliver that. This would be feature, task, I don't know, 175, yeah, just whatever. So some ticket, you have developed that and you want to merge, yeah, so theoretically to push it there, to merge it with master. But this would mean already deployment to production, for which you would want to have some safety, and you want to do theoretical rollback. For rolling back, you would need to have theoretical backup. How to do that? So here you would create another branch. Yeah, and this would be like prod backup. Yeah, I don't know. So you are creating a branch from master, yeah, and this would be already separated. Prod backup, yeah, and then you are merging. Okay, this had to be slightly on the right side, but anyway, so slightly longer. But then you are doing merge of your feature to master, which means deployment. So here goes deployment. Let's imagine that this is successfully deployed, but then, I don't know, whatever happens that on testing, your end users identify that we should quickly roll back or just really whatever. Yeah, in this case, you cannot unmerge, I believe, yeah? Or can you? No. I don't remember if I've seen recently in Bitbucket this possibility, but anyway, so let's, okay, sorry. If even you unmerge, this would not return your deployment, yeah. So anyway, if you are even find a way to unmerge, your deployment will be already done and you don't initiate somehow second deployment. Instead, you would then merge your prod backup back to prod, which is master branch, yeah? So this would be another merge, and this will be another deployment, which would deploy you all these differences. Quite easy, yeah? So in this commit, you can see what was changed, and then in this commit, everything should be changed back, these components that were touched here, and this would mean that you will have deployment there, which will be kind of your rollback, which is always deployment of old version, let's say, yeah? So this is a flow for SFDX. I checked the bucket again, and we do have a revert option, as you can see on the screenshot. And this revert and merge commit will create a new commit, which will run CI deployment, so everything can be deployed like that. So this looks to be even a more easy option. That's good. And now, what would be if you have no CI and repository configured, if you have just package, or even change sets, workflow on your project. Yeah. So in these situations, what we would do? How to explain it beautifully? So we have production. Yeah. We have your previous work UAT, let's say. Yeah? You want to deliver them. There would be some change sets and change set, or it can be again package. Yeah, so package. I mean local package, the API with API deployment via workbench. Yeah. So anyway, you're sending that. For doing backup, what I would do, I would need more colors. This one. I would retrieve this stuff. Retrieve via workbench, as I shown you in the previous video, and I would unzip that, and you would have this zip file. Yeah. In this unzipped folder, you will have package.xml containing all your list of your metadata. So I would have package.xml. XML. And then I would log in from workbench to production, and let's take again green, we'll retrieve the package using this package.xml. Yeah, so this one I will retrieve, and that's how you will get a package with the metadata from your production. Yeah, so exactly what we did here, in fact. And yeah, then you have that as some package. Yeah, let's have package. So it was here a package, and it becomes here a package. So some zip file that you can deploy. And yeah, you always have that. Then you are deploying this, and then if you want to undo your changes, then you are taking that and deploy back to production. Another thing, if you are having here in this package, if you're having some destructive changes, like also we had a look on the previous video, so if you are deleting some files, some epic classes, some epics classes, some objects, fields, and whatever, additionally list them in this package.xml, which you would have after the retrieve. Because here, if you're using packages, you would have package.xml plus destructive changes XML plus, I don't know, destructive pre and post, yeah, so something like that. And package.xml usually always, let's say always, contains the files that you are creating and adjusting but not deleting. Yeah, that's why you need to list them there as well. So yeah, plus destructive metadata. Yeah, so quite easy and quite normal and quite the only way to do that. So yeah, that's how it should be. Thank you.